Welcome to this complete guide on how to maintain lead-acid batteries. This video is useful for everyone, including students, homeowners, shopkeepers, and electricians. What is a lead-acid battery? It stores electricity, converting chemical energy into electrical energy. It contains sulfuric acid and lead plates submerged in an electrolyte solution. The battery is rechargeable and can be charged and discharged many times. A 12-volt battery consists of 6 cells. Lead-acid batteries are used in various applications, such as cars and vehicles, home UPS and inverters, and solar systems. They are also used for shops and backup power, emergency lighting, and industrial equipment. Safety first. Always wear gloves and safety glasses. Work in a well-ventilated area, as batteries release hydrogen gas. Keep away from flames and sparks. Acid is corrosive, so handle it with extreme care. Disconnect the negative terminal first when removing, and never short-circuit the battery terminals. Regular visual inspections are key to battery maintenance. Weekly, check for leaks and terminal corrosion. Monthly, check the electrolyte level and cable tightness. Every 3 months, perform a full visual check and clean the terminals. A pro tip is to log your inspection dates and findings in a small notebook. To check the electrolyte level, open the vent caps gently. The fluid should be between the MIN and max marks. Top up if needed, using only distilled water. Never use tap water or acid. Finally, close the caps tightly after topping up. Cleaning battery terminals removes corrosion. First, disconnect the battery, removing the negative terminal first. Mix a baking soda solution. 1 tablespoon of baking soda to 1 cup of water. Apply the solution and scrub the terminals gently with an old toothbrush. Rinse with clean water and dry completely. Apply a thin coat of petroleum jelly to prevent future corrosion. Reconnect the battery, positive terminal first. For proper battery charging, use the right charger, matching the voltage to the battery type. Charge slowly, using a trickle charge method for a long battery life. Avoid overcharging. Stop when the battery reaches full voltage of about 12.9 volts. Always ventilate the area, as charging releases hydrogen gas. Regarding temperature and storage care, for hot weather, keep the battery in a shaded, cool spot and check the water level more often. Never charge a hot battery. For cold weather, keep the battery insulated and fully charged before long cold storage. Ideal storage is at room temperature, away from direct sunlight, with a charge check every 30 days. Common problems include a battery that won't hold a charge due to sulfation. Solutions include trying a desulfation charger or replacing the battery. A swollen or bulging case is caused by overcharging or heat damage and requires immediate, safe disposal. Corrosion on terminals can be fixed by cleaning with a baking soda solution and applying grease. If the battery gets very hot, stop charging immediately and check the charger settings. Here is a maintenance schedule summary. Every week, check for leaks, inspect terminals, and check the indicator light. Every month, check the electrolyte level, top up with distilled water, and measure the voltage. Every 3 months, clean the terminals fully, check the battery case, and test the battery under load. Every year, perform a full capacity test, check all connections, and consider replacement if the battery is weak. The do's of maintenance include keeping the electrolyte topped up with distilled water, charging regularly, keeping terminals clean, storing in a cool, dry, ventilated place, using the correct charger, and disposing of old batteries at recycling centers. The don'ts include using tap water, overcharging, tilting the battery, leaving it discharged for long periods, connecting terminals incorrectly, or throwing it in regular trash. To extend battery life, avoid deep discharge, never letting the voltage drop below 11.8 volts. Consider equalization charging monthly. Ensure proper storage by fully charging and recharging every 30 days. Avoid extreme heat, as temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius have battery life. Finally, use a smart charger with auto cutoff to prevent overcharging damage. To test your battery's health with a multimeter, set it to DC voltage, 20-volt range. Connect the red probe to the positive terminal and the black probe to the negative terminal. Read the voltage on the display and compare it to the chart. A fully charged battery is 12.9 volts or more, and below 11.5 volts is critical. Recycling is crucial as lead-acid batteries contain lead, sulfuric acid, and heavy metals that poison the soil and water and cause health problems. The good news is that 97% of lead-acid battery materials can be recycled. To dispose safely, never throw them in regular garbage. Take them to a licensed battery recycler, scrap dealer, or battery shop. Keep them upright during transport to avoid acid leaks and store them safely away from children until disposal. Remember these 6 golden rules for a well-maintained battery. Check and top up the electrolyte monthly. Keep terminals clean, charge correctly and never overcharge. Store in a cool, dry place. Test the voltage every month, and recycle at an approved center. A well-maintained battery saves money and keeps your home, shop, and vehicle running reliably. Take care of your battery, and it will take care of you.